Dell G5 15-inch 5530 unboxing. This is going to be a quick video. This is going to be my personal laptop. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do some DaVinci Resolve video editing. It's a gaming computer. I was on the market looking for used professional grade business class laptops with an RTX graphics card to do what I need to do for this channel, and I couldn't find anything, and this thing popped up on sale at Dell, $799 for the 13th generation of i5 high-performing CPU with the 4050, or $899 with this configuration. It's 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM in dual channel, a 1TB SSD, and the 13th generation of i7 and a 4060 with 8 gigs of RAM. Not for too long, we're gonna put 64 gigs of RAM, a Samsung Pro solid state in it just to bump it up the storage. I am super excited. This is the heaviest laptop I ever owned. This is the heaviest 15-inch I ever seen. This thing is 11 pounds, about 5 kilograms. The box is crazy heavy. I cannot imagine what's inside, so let's go ahead and open up and take a look at it together. It's been sitting here for 2 days. Every couple hours I'm thinking about coming down in the studio and do the opening without making a video, but I wanted to do a video, and I'm just very excited. So this is a very standard Dell box. I'm a little bit bummed out because I know you have to go to the Alienware. This is the low budget gaming PC, but still I wish we could have a little bit of nicer box. It's great that we have recycled cardboard. I like to see that. At least we don't have styrofoam, but I wish the experience would be just a little bit more premium-ish. So this is a laptop itself, and I did the G16 unboxing a couple months ago, and I was so impressed with that laptop. So technically this is a 15.6 inches. It's a little bit smaller, or the screen looks a little bit different, and I absolutely love that. It's chunky and bulky, and the performance was great. So I'm really hoping that I'm gonna have a same experience with this particular laptop. I'm super excited to owning this. So this thing is robust. It looks really nice. Like I'm really hoping that the cooling and the performance will be great when I'm doing the video editing. So let me put this out of the way, because I think the main attraction is gonna be this guy. It's literally a brick. So this is the 330 watt power supply. This is no joke. It's probably heavier than my 14-inch HP EliteBook, which is my daily driver when I do IT work for full time. And that's it. Nothing else is in a box. I don't see a single paperwork or any kind of documentation, which I don't need it anyway. So we got this ginormous power supply, and let me see this laptop. Let me open it. Man, yeah. So everything feels like firm and solid. Yeah, I don't think I can open this with one. Yeah, you can open it with one hand. Hinge is great. The whole thing is obviously plastic, but feels really firm. I can't wait to take this apart and put the extra component in it and do some performance tests and benchmarks, and we're gonna review this completely from top to bottom. Thank you so much for your time. I see you at the next video. Scott's out.